Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another day. We got pretty much minimal movement overnight. Did get a nice overnight pump. That got sold off really quick around 6 a.m. And now we're back to pretty much where we were on the lows of the overnight session. Have a nice trend line here that we are rejecting off of. Obviously, the bias for today is short. I just want to be aware of a possible short covering rally. I'm expecting to see that more on Friday though, but we definitely can continue down from here. We are overextended to the downside, and that's why I'm a little bit cautious about short positions, but I still think that shorts is probably the way to go today. So we're opening up in value from yesterday. Had a nice kind of chop session when the Fed announced their minutes. They said they'd be they'd be selling $95 billion worth of assets per month. So that's quite the number. So don't fight the Fed. The Fed's selling. We should probably sell too, right? Just looking at this. I'm looking at possible short entry at VWAP here or point of control. Depends on how the market looks. We'll see what happens here at Valley Area Low from yesterday. Seems like we had some good reactions off of it overnight, but that can definitely break down. If we break down, we're going down to that white line there, which is the low from yesterday, and then beyond that we have the blue line. There is the 50-day moving average, so that might be a spot where we stall out too. Again, selling off a lot, so just want to be cautious, but still gonna be trading, looking for shorts. We had a nice rejection off of the secondary downtrend. Look at the range chart here. Got the primary downtrend here, secondary downtrend here. Just had a nice rejection off of it, coming back down, but Delta did not make a lower low, so we could be trying to bounce and go up to this primary downtrend. So gonna be mindful of that. Just get our minute chart here loaded. So market's gonna open up here in 15 seconds. Let's just go ahead and say our creed. Remember, this is a life-changing opportunity. Do not treat it like something that can be discarded due to your ego, pride, and emotions. Success is dependent on your ability to stick to your rules. Therefore, always be aware of the responsibility you bear in keeping yourself accountable. So market has opened up. I'll get this minute chart loaded. Initial pump there. 5-minute chart, we have an initial pump there also on the ES. Got reversed. Control is down here, and we're making our moves to the upside here. Just gonna be watching for any weaknesses. That's pretty. So now point of control is shifted up here, and we start to move back down. Just trying to be patient here. So the ES is not following the NAS so far. Let's just try to make some moves to the upside. Trying to be patient. Let's just see what happens. So it looks like we're probably going to come down. Both We're trying to bounce here. Just gonna be patient. See what happens. Got some buyers. Buyers coming in, trying to bring this back up. Buyers are trying to buy this up. So much short here. Test the trend line. Hope we continue lower. Maybe I should have waited till VWAP. So we made new highs on the day. Delta's starting to look a bit productive. And we got stopped out there. Should have waited for VWAP, I think. I'm just gonna reset. Just take a second here. It's a nice pump. Pump, sell, pump, pump. We're at VWAP. This could be a short covering rally. Again, just trying to be patient. Gonna go up test point of control, it seems. Really nice moves to the upside. I'm gonna watch value area high from yesterday. This is what I was scared of, going short. We've been selling off so much. Just a recipe for, possible pumps like this. New 5-minute candle about to open up here. Gonna watch, see if we move up off of VWAP or so we're still continuing to the upside. Wow, really strong moves. Goodness. New 5-minute candle. So I went short here. I think we look good for a pullback at least. So yesterday's point of control. Get out at today's point of control. Just look pretty strong, so I'm a little nervous on this trade. So it looks like we want to go test yesterday's point of control. Currently at value area high. Delta's looking a little heavy, so that's a good sign. Just don't like how we're hugging, staying up here. So I'm gonna actually try to go. Wow. We got stopped out. Exactly what I was afraid of. Down so much that we rally up. Alright. Gotta reset, apparently. Reset and just watch what the market wants to do. Probably shouldn't have moved my stop. But it's an extra 100 that we lost there. Down 740 on the day. 2 trades. Should have been more careful. It looks like we just want to rally right now for some reason. Looking at the overnight highs, Delta's not making the same moves. Just gonna be patient here and watch. Just omega pumps. I'm gonna go short here. See what happens. My control shifted upwards, so I'm thinking there's some sellers up here. We're really darn close to the highs of the overnight session. Bit confident that we're going to come down here, which we are, which is nice. Stopped out of 1. It's a really strong delta there, making me really nervous. Looking better. Just watching value area high here from yesterday. Good reversal so far. Rejecting off value area high would be a good sign. Delta's just not following so far. So Delta's not coming down lower. And we got stopped out of 2. Still down 570 on the day. So we broke the primary uptrend here. That's when I went short. Delta's not responding, making higher deltas. Bouncing off a value area high from yesterday. I'm just not 100% sure on our direction. It does look like we want to continue upwards. Just a little difficult to trade right now just because we have the potential to go upwards, but it makes sense for us to continue downwards. So when you don't know, Just gotta sit back and watch what happens here. So our short trade would have been working out pretty well. But again, it's not looking too bad for the bulls, if I must be honest. Got 2 minutes left on this candle. Looks like we are pulling back. Stalling out on the ES2. Still down 570 on the day. So we got point of control back up here. Might go actually long here. It's looking really good. I think I missed my entry though. So we got point of control shifting back up here. I think that's a good signal for a short. You're deep in the money. They're short. Really happy with that short. It's a really nice short. I hope this is the continuation to the downside that we were looking for. It's really strong sellers here. Let's off a point of control from yesterday. Look at the 5 minute here. This candle's about to close out, completely flipped red. So we're up pretty significantly on our short. Really good entry. Saw that point of control come up there. Sellers were up here. Someone just did a big transaction. And we are gonna let this run. And oh my gosh. Really happy with this short. Extremely happy with this short. So a rejection here would make sense to me. Just hope it doesn't come back upwards. I want this candle to reverse downwards here. It's a really strong candle. Hope for continual movement to the downside now. We're up 1,200 on this trade so far, which is really good. I just don't see Delta responding. It's not making a lower low. That can change though. I just don't want this candle to reverse back to the upside. That'd make me pretty nervous. I don't see Delta really responding here. It's making me a little nervous. See Delta just stalling out here. Made some lower lows, but Delta did not make a lower low than this. Wondering if I should get out here. But we have a really good entry up here. It's a lot of selling pressure, so I'm just going to be patient with this trade and see if it continues to the downside. About 3 minutes left on this candle. I just don't want us to pop back up above Yesterday's point of control. Seems like we're trying to do that. Like some more moves to the downside, that would be really nice. I think I'm going to leave my stop there. We're up almost 900 on the day. One contract. Just an amazing move to the downside. Amazing reversal. We had a bit of a short covering rally and then pretty strong reversal. So I'm hoping we continue down here. Maybe test low of the day. If we lose that, we're going to continue on even lower. So I have point of control flip down here. Not a big fan of that. Could be buyers, but it could be more sellers too. But whoever it is, they're starting to lose on their position. Might get stopped out here. Just seeing some consolidation. I'd like to see a strong move to the downside. Looks like we're just stalling here. Can see some delta moves upwards. It's getting suppressed. Bit nervous. I'm gonna get stopped out here. I just want to see this continue to the downside. That'd be really nice. Nice. Yes. That's what we want to see. Nice break of the support that the bulls were forming here. And a nice candle downwards. And we got stopped out. And I'm okay with that. Up 900 on the day. Pretty nice entry. Really like that. It's really good. Kind of a snapback. And then we just faded from there. Maybe this is premature, but oh, it's definitely premature. Goodness. And we are continuing to the downside here. Not making lower delta lows than where we were this morning, so I'm interested to see what happens here. We just held this move. I originally wanted to get out here, but I was a bit nervous on how everything was looking. So we're down here, but did not make a lower delta from this morning. Just gonna try to be patient. Just broke this downtrend. Trying to see what happens here. Just gonna be patient. Above point of control again, so it's a good thing we got out when we did. So we were talking about shorts. How shorts was probably the trade for today. Definitely was, but it just, we were taking them too early. This nice little consolidation, channel downwards, broke out of it. Saw really nice moves, but delta was not making a higher high. And then nice pull down by the bears. So that looks really interesting to me. Nice candle there. Possibly some sellers up here. Just after a move like that, would expect a lot of people to try to get out on a pullback upwards. Delta's making moves upwards though, so, and we just had point of control shift up, so it's like, wow. Nice buys, goodness. Looking to go short again. Just wanted the best opportunity though. Or a VWAP. Point of control from yesterday. Just gonna watch, see what happens here. Really strong reversal. Nice delta sells coming in. Still have point of control right below us though, so I'm going to keep this pretty tight. Should have got out there. Looks like we want to break up. I just get stopped out here. Looks like we're trying to break to the upside. Getting some nice sellers here though, but we just might break through it. I'll go for 2. Try to get out. Point control down there. I wanted to get out point of control. It's too fast. We just might have the ammo to go back up here now. Yep. And there we got stopped out. Sucks. Really sucks. I wanted to get out point of control, but that's just too fast. Well, only 345 on the day, which really sucks. Don't know what else to tell you. Monster moves down, monster moves up. Big chop session. Went short 1. Went short 2. Control shifted upwards. Stopped out of 1. Just gonna see if this rides. Short 2 again. At least a test of point of control. Would make sense in my mind. Good sellers up here again. Really just hope we don't break up from here. It's a pretty strong buy up. So I'm primarily really nervous on this trade. Delta's looking a little heavy, so I'm a bit relieved with that. Do got some buyers coming in though. I'm gonna get out. I don't like how that looks for a short. Delta's pretty strong. 810 on that trade. Yep, and here we go back up. Glad I killed that. Still got some sellers up here. I just don't know if the market, don't know what the market wants to do right now. Looks like it wants to go higher. It's a really strong V recovery. Just sucks that we had those two shorts. Could have tried to get out of them. But I mean, going from red back to green, it's really nice on my part. Seeing some more sellers up here again. Just don't know where we want to go. At this point, this is a V recovery. We have a lot of sellers down here. We have a lot of sellers up here too. So we have this uptrend here. It's still intact, so not looking for shorts until this is broken. Daily area high, rejecting off of it a bit. Thought it looks a little heavy. Pretty close to where we were originally. I feel like the Nasdaq wants to go pop this high. That's what it feels like to me. Just gonna try to be patient here. Point control's right below us, so a bit iffy on taking shorts. Do look like we're trying to grind up. It's a monster rip upwards. It's almost gonna get out of this trade, but it snapped back up too fast for me. So we have a little bit of a break there, but Delta's starting to look kind of heavy to the downside. Just pretty much even distribution all around here. Market really doesn't know what it wants. Still looks like we want to go higher. Can't deny these are pretty strong moves. Strong moves to the upside. Yeah, stalling out a bit. Yeah, it's also stalling out, but the fact that it's stalled out and not breaking down. So like this kind of day, whatever your bias was, short, long, it really don't matter because you had ample opportunity on both ends to make money. So I get stopped out of this one. Yep, we did. Only up 200 on the day now. We're at 11 contracts. I don't like that. So we popped that high like I was saying. Looks like the bulls are now in control. As we continue to go up. Don't like the number of trades I've made. And I don't want to be shorting this now because it looks like the bulls are definitely in control today. We're back to green on the day. Possible upside target, high from the overnight. We have the high from yesterday. Just doesn't make sense. Unless this is just a short covering rally. Which is entirely possible. I'm gonna go short here. Nice delta sells. Probably looking just to get out. Point of control. Keep my stops really close. Might get stopped out here. At least it'll be for profit, which we did. $80 there. Just not sure what the market wants to do. It's a nice rejection up there. I guess our short would have worked out. Belly area high now. Nice little bounce off value area high. Just trying to be patient before I enter another trade. I made a lot of trades today. Yeah, and our short would have worked out. It's unfortunate. We're really close to point of control, so I don't really want to take a short. We could just bounce right off of it. Just gonna watch here, see what happens. Got 30 seconds left on this candle. I said I didn't want to short above point of control, but seemed nice. Actually, it's no longer a nice delta sell. It was looking really nice for selling. If we lose point of control here, we'll go down and test VWAP. Just hope we don't break out. Looks like there's some buyers coming in. Yeah, we look to be trying to break up here. Just trying to be patient. Trying to be real patient. Got us looking strong. Just waiting here. Keep my stop close. I don't want to get burned. We should reject off point of control. Looking to get out here. Got stopped out for 185. Still got another one running. I just let that one run. Looks like we're trying to break up though. I don't know. Went straight to point of control. Initial rejection. Feel like we're gonna get stopped out here. Might have to flip it to go long. We got stopped out. Back to 500 on the day. Just don't know what the market wants. Looks like it wants to go up. I think we got to flip our mindset to go long. We're at 15 trades. Not happy with that. I think I might go long here, actually. Let's see what happens. Rejecting off point of control and value area high from yesterday. Yes, it's not following. Yes, does have a nice buy up. It's looking pretty good here for a long. Just trying to be patient. See what happens at VWAP. Dang, it's just our short trade would have worked really well here. I'm gonna go long here. VWAP and point of control from yesterday. Go 2. Pretty confident we continue upwards. Or not. Just watch to see what happens. Just like, where did all the bulls go? Just trying to be patient. Got my finger on the sell button here. Nice pop. 5-minute candle. New 5-minute candle is going to open up here pretty soon. This could blow up in my face. Went 3 contracts. I think we're due for a bounce upwards though. Delta's looking pretty good. Point control, gonna get one out. High of today. And then I want one out. Value area high. Gosh, my computer's lagging, which is not good. We should pop off here. Nice bounce off of VWAP. We're in the money now. Come back down here. The one time I go long, it's not working out. It's unfortunate. Just see what happens here. See if buyers will come back in. We do. A couple of buyers there. Got some sellers here too. Makes me nervous. Yeah, the delta sells are pretty high. Still got some bulls here though. See how this candle's forming out. Just a lot of back and forth. Just a lot of back and forth. Hoping that this is just a pullback and that we will resume upwards. That's what it seems to be. Pretty high conviction. And we are popping off here. Almost there. Just watching, trying to be patient here in this trade. Should get a nice pop here soon. I'm just gonna kill it. Kill that point of control. I don't like having that much risk. I rarely ever trade 3 contracts. We'd be pretty deep in the green right now. I was pretty convicted that this was the area we're gonna bounce off of. Super happy with that trade. I'd be even more happy right now, but I just could not hold that trade. Got out here, just that point of control. This pull down here made me very nervous. We made a lower delta low, but the snapback from buyers here was so strong that I kept it, because we came right back into this area that I wanted to get out if we lost. We went down, snapped back right up into it. Our initial target would have been hit. I honestly would have gotten out of here anyway, but I think this was a good spot to get out, and I'm pretty happy I did. It's just that much heat. Took a lot of heat down here. This is pretty frightening, but it made sense to me as an area to bounce off of. We had VWAP here. We had point of control from yesterday, so you can bet there's a lot of transactions that are going on in this area. A lot of back and forth here, but ultimately the bulls won. We also had Valley area low shifted right below us, so you can tell a lot of the transactions today was made at the top portion of today's range, so kind of an indication that we would continue upwards. So we got Valley area here, a lot of transactions within this range now. So this is where 70% of the transactions have occurred. Really happy with this trade. So we got 335, 320, and a 580. This third one on, I was pretty convicted we were going to go back up just because watching this come down. Delta did not respond appropriately. It was starting to move upwards when this was coming down. See these candles here? However, we were making delta highs. So yeah, there's either I got super lucky with this bounce, but again, this all made sense in my mind. Almost killed it right here. I was like literally 2 seconds from killing it, and then this popped back up and came back up here, and I'm really happy we got out here now because we're making a substantial pullback now. Do I want to buy this again? No, I am good with my profits for today. Really happy with 1,730, way over my 10. Again, there's just, look at this, just chop back and forth. Look at all this chop, and look at the performance center here. You can see that we have 64% win rate, 35% lose rate. Oh my gosh, just losing this much in a day, just so sad. 1,500 losing. Total profits was 3,325, 6 losing trades. So many trades today, guys. I don't like doing that. Love the fact that we went, 700 down, 750 down to back up and stayed up green throughout the day, which I'm pretty happy about. Again, today is probably my last day of trading. I'm gonna probably take tomorrow off. It's Friday. Gonna have an early weekend. If I do happen to trade, I'll record it, but it's not likely that I will. But yeah, if you guys are continuing to trade, hope you guys have a profitable day. Be careful out there, manage your risks. Don't do what I did, tag on 3 contracts. I guess another thing that was making me bullish was this nice crossover on the 5 and 21. Really nice. Came down, tested the 21 perfectly and bounced off of it. So looks like we're trying to resume back up, but at this point I don't care because I have 1730 in the bag. Definitely made a lot of trades today. Gonna reflect on that a lot, and just try to make less trades on the next trading session. So again, might not see you guys tomorrow. If you guys are continuing to trade, be patient, make sure you manage your risk, and I hope you have a profitable day. Peace.